I'm Mitch Goldberg with Client First Strategy. As I always like to say, there are the reasons and then there are the real reasons behind every market move. Yesterday's market move was driven by the thought process that the Federal Reserve was getting closer to raising interest rates. Today we have confirmation of that with the Federal Reserve's release of their minutes, which is something that they do 3 weeks after every Fed policy meeting. So let's get into it and we'll call it a day.
For some signposts, we turn to Mitch Goldberg.
We welcome Mitchell Goldberg.
And we're back. Now, what was once widely believed to be a no-go as far as interest rate increases by the end of the year is all of a sudden looking like interest rate increases can happen a lot sooner than we expected, and probably, well, I should say possibly more than one interest rate hike as well before the end of this year. So that's throwing a few things off, and recent figures of inflation are starting to pick up a little bit. You combine that with relatively low unemployment rates, and if you add that the Fed is less concerned about global financial volatility, the Federal Reserve is really starting to run out of reasons to keep interest rates as low as they are. So what we need to do is take a look at how this affects markets. But continuing yesterday's trend, money flowed, as you can see, it flowed out of utilities, it flowed out of materials, telecom, etc., consumer type stocks. But it's really going very heavily into financials. You can see this at the top of the list over here by my cursor. Okay, so financials are really picking up a lot of the money, and as an asset investment manager who has a lot of financial type stocks, this is music to my ears, and I would suspect that a lot of other managers are underweight in financials. So I would think that this could offer some upside, whereas there could be a lot of catch-up moving to do into the sector. So rising rates are typically good for bank stocks. The message in the market is that financials are leading the rest of the market higher, and typically when financials lead markets higher, that is often taken as a very bullish indicator. Okay, so that's what we're watching out for, and we need to see if this continues. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please post in the comments below or simply email me at mgoldberg@clientfirststrategy.com. Thanks for watching. I'm going to be doing these videos pretty much every night, so keep an eye out for them, and I'll see you next time. Thanks very much.